My kids love salsa and tortilla chips, so I like to use those ingredients, add a few veggies and a cooked rotisserie chicken in there and turn it into a brilliant weekend treat dinner. So let's get cooking. Preheat the oven to 200C or 400F fan. Now I want to shred all the meat from a rotisserie chicken and place it in a shallow baking dish. Add a sliced red pepper, 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos that have been drained, a small sliced onion, a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of tomato puree or paste in the US, and 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning. Toss it all together to coat everything in the fajita seasoning. Now we're going to pour over a 300 gram or 10.5 ounce jar of chunky salsa. And then sprinkle on 100 grams or a packed cup of mixed grated cheese. Place it in the oven and bake for 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbling. Then remove from the oven and sprinkle with some finely chopped red onion, some fresh coriander and some more of those pickled jalapenos, and serve it up with a big pile of tortilla chips. And there you go, easy chicken salsa bake. Just stick it on the table with a big pile of nacho chips and let everybody dig in. See you next time. Oh, look at that.